Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is the 28th of September 2024, and we've got a fascinating lineup of stories for you. From Apple's strategic decisions in the AI realm to intriguing tech transitions and cross-platform innovations, there's plenty to discuss. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Apple has reportedly opted out of investing in OpenAI, as confirmed by the Wall Street Journal. This decision comes just before OpenAI is set to close a significant funding round, expected to raise up to $6.5 billion, with major investments anticipated from Microsoft and Nvidia. Although Apple was in discussions, those talks have now ended. Interestingly, Apple is still partnering with OpenAI to integrate ChatGPT into iOS 18, enhancing Siri's capabilities without any financial transactions involved. In a related development, Elon Musk has threatened to ban all Apple devices from his companies if OpenAI's technology is integrated at the operating system level. Musk expressed his concerns on Twitter, citing significant security risks. Despite Apple's assurances regarding user privacy and data handling, Musk remains skeptical, highlighting past incidents where data was inadvertently leaked through AI tools. Noah Gift, a longtime Apple customer, has decided to exit the Apple ecosystem, prompted by Apple's partnership with OpenAI. He plans to transition to a simpler tech lifestyle, opting for a Linux-based system and a dumb phone for essential functions. Gift emphasizes the cost-effectiveness of moving away from Apple, critiquing its business model and advocating for a more distributed tech architecture. In the realm of cross-platform development, a blog post discusses the process of running Apple's SwiftUI sample app, Scrumdinger, as a native Android application using a tool called Skip. The author outlines the steps to convert the existing iOS app into a dual-platform app, emphasizing the efficiency of using Skip for cross-platform development while maintaining the integrity of the iOS app. For those interested in database management, an article provides a detailed guide on upgrading PostgreSQL from version 16 to 17 on an Apple Silicon Mac using Homebrew. The guide includes troubleshooting tips for common issues and emphasizes the reliability of this upgrade procedure for future PostgreSQL versions. A guide on using the programmer calculator on a Mac highlights its capabilities for performing various types of calculations, including binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. The guide explains how to switch to programmer mode and perform bitwise operations, offering valuable insights for users needing precision in their calculations. With the recent release of iOS 18, Apple has introduced RCS support, enhancing messaging between Android and iOS devices. A notable feature is that Android users can now rename group texts, and these changes will be visible to iOS users in the same group. This change highlights the evolving landscape of messaging services and the need for users to be aware of new functionalities. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates and insights into the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.